Assalamu alaikum ji. I'm Jafer Hussain. I'm a managing director for DHL Global Forwarding in Pakistan. So today's session was about customer services excellence. Customer services excellence is all about customer experience, and it's all about how empathizing yourself, putting yourself into customer shoe. So the way actually Asma conducted this this workshop, the energy level, the involvement of the participants was amazing. And as someone said that if they can have this kind of customer excellence seminar, no organization will be lagging behind in Pakistan. So hats off to Asma for bringing it on this concept, and overall I believe everybody was very participative, and people learned in this workshop, and this will contribute to their career and to their organization. Thank you very much.